Hi everyone, my name's Aaron Rosenmund, and welcome to my course, Operationalizing Security Analysis, the beginning of the security event triage path. I'm a full-time author here at Pluralsight with a focus on research and content creation for incident response and security operations. And I want to welcome you to the cat and mouse game of security operations, where your job is to detect and defend all the things, all the time. Whether you are defending a global robotics conglomerate like the security analyst you follow in this course, protecting critical industries like finance, power, or defense, or guarding the privacy and ability to operate of the countless technology-enabled enterprises across the world, the threats and skills learned in the security event triage path are real and immediately applicable. In this course, we're going to introduce and develop your understanding of enterprise security operations, the data analysis tools of the trade, and how modern security operation keeps up with advanced threats. By the end of this course, you'll understand the technology and processes used to match advanced adversaries at every turn and how those operations fit into the everyday practices of the information security component of an organization. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the security fundamentals. And from here, you should feel comfortable diving into the rest of the security event triage path with courses on detecting malicious traffic with signature and session analysis, monitoring assets and topology, and leveraging existing security device alerts. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn security analysis of the Security Event Triage Operationalizing Security Analysis course at Pluralsight.